So let us read about endometrial carcinoma. Patient is coming to you and she is saying that she is having irregular heavy bleed कि डॉक्टर मेरा पीरियड्स ख़त्म हो गया है लेकिन फिर भी अभी मुझे 2 साल के बाद पीरियड आ रहा है और वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा खून जा रहा है, पानी भी बह रहा है नीचे से जो इसमें से बहुत गंदी बास आती है. ओके, सो यू विल राइट दैट इरेगुलर हैवी ब्लीड even beyond menopause, cyclical bleeding is sometimes can be seen, foul smelling vaginal discharge. एंड आप पेशेंट की हिस्ट्री पूछोगे तो पेशेंट बताएगा 45 to 55 ईयर ओल्ड फीमेल एंड शी माइट गिव हिस्ट्री ऑफ हार्मोनल रिप्लेसमेंट थेरापी और ऑन tamoxifen. Patient might have achieved early menarche or late menopause. Patient might had history of PCOD. Patient might be obese or with diabetic and hypertension. Patient might not have given birth yet. So these are the classical finding. In this scenario you must think of the carcinoma, right? Now as the patient is old and even after menopause she is presenting with bleed, of course you will perform biopsy. So you send sample of endometrial biopsy, hysteroscopic biopsy, and on TVS you even saw that patient is having endometrial thickness that maybe let's say about 13 mm, right? So you know that it's the endometrial carcinoma. Now what is the staging of endometrial carcinoma? In stage 1 carcinoma is up to the uterus only. In stage 2 the carcinoma is went up to cervix. In stage 3 it is up to the peritoneum. In stage 3b it's up to vaginal. In stage 3b it's up to the pelvis. In stage 4 it has improved bowel, bladder and distant metastasis, right? So now how will you treat this patient? So for the management, if it's the stage 1 means only containing the uterus and half of the myometrium is involved, you will perform vaginal irradiation. If more than half of the myometrium is involved, you will do pelvic irradiation. In stage 3 means the cervix is also involved, you will do whole abdominal irradiation. In stage 3 or 4 radiotherapy, chemotherapy, surgery, hormonal replacement, all have to be done. So vault of vagina is the most common place for the recurrence, so you will treat with the high dose of progesterone. And if you send this irradiation sample to the histo, it will give 4 types: endometrial endocarcinoma, mucinous carcinoma, serous carcinoma and clear cell carcinoma.